Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called SliceThePie, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually earn money just by giving your opinion on some music, some audios, and even logos and branding. So if you're looking to make some extra cash online just by using your computer in your spare time, then this could be for you. Make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to go through it step by step, how easy it is to actually get set up and actually use the website. So let's go and do a full review of SliceThePie and show you exactly what it's all about. Okay, so as we see, we come onto the Slice the Pie website. It says here, get paid for your opinion. And this is what it is. This is simple that brands will put their music, their audios, their logos, give your opinion on certain questions that they are after to get feedback for their products. Now it says here, Slice the Pie is the largest paid review site on the internet. You'll earn cash for every review you leave. Your feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots more goes directly to help the artists, record labels, and brands make decisions. The better your reviews, the more you will earn. Join millions of reviewers right now and just click on the review button here to actually start up. Okay, so once you're inside Slice the Pie, as you can see, it's very, very basic, this website. Okay, you've obviously got terms and conditions, policy, etc. down the bottom here. Frequently asked questions are here, and about us is here. The Slice the Pie Limited was started, it says here, back in 2016. Now, at the moment, I'm fairly new into the website, but I've got bonuses here that I can actually do. I can review some music and I can review some audio. Now, I've already done some of this here, and as you can see, I've got about 8 cents up in the corner here into my account already. Now, before we go and show you exactly how easy it is to actually go and do this, let's just show you how you can actually earn a little bit more cash by referring a friend. As you can see here, you can receive 20% of all the review earnings for 60 days and then 10% thereafter, just by simply asking them to enter the code when they sign up. And this is the code, or this is where you would find your code, or there's a link here as well, which you can obviously share with your friends. And you just click on review to go back to all your reviews. And like I say, there are some bonuses here. So let's go and show you exactly how easy and quickly you can actually earn money with Slice the Pie. Hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. This will help us in the algorithms, help more people to see the video. So let's go and have a look at audio branding. I haven't done any of these so far. So what it basically says here, you've got an audio here, and it says a Sonic logo is an audio jingle that captures the essence of the product or company. Please let us know what you think of the Sonic logo. If you recognize the brand, please state the company name within your review. Tell us what makes this logo good or not. So as it says, it tells you exactly what they want from it, and all you've got to do is play the logo. Now, there's about 20 seconds of the logo here, so it's just I'll play some of it for you and just to show you exactly what it's about. As you can see, that's pretty it's very quick. It's just a few notes really. In here, you have to listen to at least 11 seconds of it. When you get music as well, you have to listen to 90 seconds of music. And so I'll probably show you that very shortly as well. And then all you do is literally fill in what obviously you thought of it, okay? And then rate it out of 10. And then if you've got all these other questions here, which you just have to go through, okay, and then just give it descriptions out of 10. Now, if your description here, the more you can tell them about, more descriptive that you can be here, the more money you will earn. Now, I actually earned 5 cents on my first review, music review, and then I've earned 1 cent each time I've done another review. Now, obviously, with if you're going to be just earning 1 cent per review, that is obviously going to take a long time to actually earn any money here. Once you've done that, you can just hit the submit button here, and then straight away it'll tell you how much you've actually earned. Now, this is my transaction, and it says here you can make a withdrawal. You've got to get to a minimum withdrawal of $10. Like I say, I've only had 8 cents so far, but if you enjoy listening to music anyway, then it doesn't take 2 seconds just to write a quick review. As you can see here, I say I've got 5 cents for the first one and then 1 cent for each other one after that. As you can see here, your any earnings can be withdrawn to a PayPal account. The minimum PayPal withdrawal is $10, and PayPal payments can take up to 5 working days. So all in all, with SliceThePie, yes, it's somewhere that you can actually go in and earn a few cents per day, which you could build up and probably withdraw maybe once or twice a month if you were lucky. But it's not going to get you a full-time income or anything like that. It's just going to get you a few extra bucks every month. But again, if you were to do quite a few of these websites, you could end up with $100, $200, even $300 extra every single month. So sometimes these sites are really worth actually doing. And this one is really good because you're just giving your opinion. You haven't got to give any of your details or anything like that. You just listen to music, audios, look at logos and branding, that sort of thing, and then just give your opinion on it. So it's very easy to do, very simple, and doesn't take that long at all. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.